Good morning. It is Muscle Car Monday, but I'm sitting here with nothing to open, nothing to show you, new, nothing that I've got in from the secondary market or other collectors or anything. So the only thing I can think to do is show you my Mustangs. After Porsche, I think I probably have more different castings of Mustangs than any other model. And it's kind of funny. I used to try to constrain the collection, but that didn't really work out. And I needed space, so I started breaking out. And what I found is I have 12 collector cases for specific castings, plus sort of general population of Mustangs. So let me show you. I'm going to walk you through all that, and hopefully this counts for Muscle Car Monday. I don't know. So here is like my general population of Mustangs. It was a time when I was thinking that I might constrain it to just these 4 wall-mounted boxes. That's 96 cars. But yeah, that didn't work out so well. Once I started to break out specific castings, Hot Wheel castings, it just sort of spiraled from there. These Mach 1s might come out soon. And then there's something else I have a lot of. These, I don't remember what this one is actually called, but that may come out. And some of the more recent ones, like the RTRs, the Dark Horses, the GTD, those, I don't know, eventually I think those might wind up breaking out. So that's general population. I'll pass by one more time so you can get a gander. So like I said, I have a lot of specific castings sort of called out. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over here, and then 6 right here. So let's do it sort of chronologically. So 65 Mustang fastback. These are them, and I really like this car, and this casting is probably in my top 5. I can't really say what the greatest car body ever created, but this is way up there. This one is called 67 Ford Mustang Coupe. And they're spaced out because at one time I was like, oh, I'm going to get them all. And I left spaces for like the specific ones that I still needed. But I don't think I'm going to do that anymore. I'm just going to kind of, when my attention comes around to that casting and I'm like, I need more of those, I'll just grab some more. So I knew that was going to happen. I'll probably front them all to the back. 67 Shelby GT500, the 2010 casting. There's a slightly older casting of the Shelby 67 Shelby GT500, and it's super chunky. It's different from that. So these are this specific one, and I think that one came out this year. So I can't tell if I'm tipping the box when I have the camera in front of my face, so I'm going to intentionally tip it backwards so that doesn't happen anymore. 68 Shelby GT500. And yeah, not a lot of those, only 3. But it is a cool casting. And I wound up with some. So of the cars, models with their own cases, this is probably the one that I had the least of. '69 Shelby GT500, and it doesn't say convertible, but this is the convertible one. And there was a super treasure hunt version of this. So I have a red one, blue, and the regular non-super purple one. So only 4 of those. I was thinking I had more, but I guess not. '69 Ford Mustang Boss 302, and I do have a few of these, and they've been fronted up because I really don't think I'm ever going to own all of these. And there's probably more than 24, but these are the ones I got. I like that Zamac a lot. So we're only halfway done. Here is '71 Mustang Mach 1. Let's pull it off. I'm just gonna do it right here on my lap. And 6 of those. That one. Actually, yeah, that's 6. 6. The '84 Mustang SVO. Special vehicles. And I have some other Fox bodies in here, which you will get to see. So these are the proper '84 Hot Wheels 84 Mustang SVOs. And then I have some other Fox bodies in here also. That oldie from Mr. John. 2 Matchbox Cruisers, Interceptors. I can't remember what that is. I think it's a Giant Lightning. That one. Green Light. And that was a gift from John too, kind of a joke, which I'll retell sometime. The '92 Ford Mustang, which is still Gen 3, I guess, Fox body. So there's 2, at least 2. I think there's just 2, unless there's some really old ones. Hot Wheels castings of the Fox platform Mustang. That's a weird one, but I like it. That one seems most period appropriate. So the video of this box got messed up, so I'm doing it again. It is the 10 Ford Shelby GT500 Super Snake, which is one that I don't have very many of, but I think is really an awesome little model. 1, 2, 3. So I'll put these up here as soon as I turn the camera off. And lots of room for expansion, so many of those in my near future, I think. And in the very beginning, I forgot I even had this box. So here's yet another collector case of Mustangs. So these are Gen 1s, and it's not casting specific. It's just kind of everything from this generation that doesn't fit elsewhere. So those prototypes, 65 convertibles, that, and I think those 2 are Matchbox. And on this side, just some random stuff. There's the 67 Shelby GT500. That the other casting. Look how bulky that is, and that thing on the hood. I don't really collect that casting specifically, but I didn't get rid of it or anything. And Matchbox, and Hot Wheels. So just miscellaneous Gen 1 stuff there. The Custom 11 Ford Mustang GT, which I think we saw one this year. We saw one last year. Yeah, I think that one just came out this year. And lastly, the 2020 Ford Shelby GT500. Let me switch hands. Doesn't look like very many of these either. 5. So there's that one from that Stars and Stripes series, that one I think from this year, and that's all. Oh, this one over here. That's might be a silver series, I think. But that's all the Mustangs. 12 separate boxes plus general population. So I don't know. That's all I really had for Muscle Car Monday. So talk to you tomorrow. It'll be Tuesday again. Again.